Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best carpet cleaning machines in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a carpet cleaning machine. You can find timestamps and links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Bissell 3624 SpotClean Professional. Much like the portable Bissell cleaner we've mentioned before, this Bissell SpotClean isn't a full-size carpet steam cleaner, but customers say this one is a bit less portable because it's more heavy-duty, especially when it comes to deep, difficult-to-remove stains. In fact, nearly 800 customers take this steam cleaner by its name and use it to spot clean. This is amazing. I shouldn't be this excited about a vacuum, but I really am, writes one customer. She lives in a small apartment and doesn't have room for a large, bulky machine, so she needed something very efficient. This fit the bill. All the spots and stains, from a variety of wine spills, food spills, cigarette ash to centers of my no-shoes rule, are gone, and the carpet looks basically brand new. Another customer is incredibly stunned by the quality of cleaning this machine does. Number 4. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. This large carpet cleaner is designed for use on carpets, rugs, stairs, and upholstery, and is equipped with a wealth of useful attachments. Performance-wise, we found it hard to fault. We tested all 3 of its settings. Express Clean removes stains after a number of sweeps and is best suited to everyday dirt, while Deep Clean and Max Clean remove stains in a single sweep. We'd suggest only using Max Clean once or twice a year, though, to protect your carpets. The upholstery and stair attachments were equally useful. The upholstery head cleans sofas and seat cushions well, applying the cleaning solution evenly and easily reaching corners and crevices. It's loud when in use though, and upholstery was left a little more damp than we'd have liked after cleaning. Number 3. Bissell SpotClean ProHeat Portable Spot and Stain. For those who don't need a full-size steam cleaner, or those who want to move it from room to room without a hassle, this Bissell Spot Steam Cleaner is very portable. And if you think the size will make it less effective than its full-size counterparts, one customer reports, even though it might be small, it does a better job than most bigger ones. She calls it portable and not heavy, but the best part for her is one use of this machine and poof, the stains are gone. And customers think if you really just need it to handle small area rugs, sudden spills or pet accidents, you should invest in this because it's a whole lot less cumbersome and works quickly. It actually sucks up spill or pee and then sucks up the water after cleaning, one customer notes, so you don't have super wet carpets afterwards. Number 2. Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner is automatic, which means that instead of having to press any buttons, all you have to do is push it forward to clean and push it back to steam. And lots report that this makes cleaning much more simple. This thing flat out works, says one customer, who adds, the dry-only mode is the key to success, so you should always use that mode after rinsing. Nice, slow passes, and your carpet will dry out in no time. Another customer almost didn't buy it because of the automatic feature. I wasn't sure how it would work compared to how I used my old machine, he says, but after testing it out, he reports, in practical use, it has been great and requires less thought. This carpet cleaner is automatic, which means that instead of having to press any buttons, all you have to do is push it forward to clean and push it back to steam. Number 1. Bissell Big Green Professional. The Big Green machine is a high-end model that costs a pretty penny, but it could be a worthwhile investment if you like to wash your rugs regularly. To see if it truly delivered professional-grade results, we put it to the test on the dirtiest carpets we could find. The Big Green machine is essentially ready to go right out of the box. It comes pre-assembled, so we didn't have to worry about screwing anything together, which is always a plus. All we had to do was fill it with water and soap, and it was ready to go. This carpet cleaner gave us a workout as we drove it around our home. It weighs in at a hefty 40 pounds, so it's not the lightest tool to maneuver. Luckily, you really only need to drag it back and forth in straight paths, which we found to be manageable. Now that we've shown you the best carpet cleaning machines, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Renting a carpet cleaning machine may sound convenient, but when you factor in the coordination required to pick up the appliance and drop it off, the additional cost of cleaning solution, and remember that the rented machine is probably quite used, i.e. not as efficient as a new cleaner may be, you may want to spring for your own. Rolling up your sleeves and cleaning your carpets yourself will give your carpets new life and give you the satisfaction of a super clean home. Look for special features like edge cleaning, rotating brushes, a heater, and attachments. Most come with attachments to clean small areas and small bottles of detergent to get you started. Depending on your needs, they may be worth the money. Consider the machine's weight. Carpet cleaners are much heavier to push and more cumbersome to use than traditional vacuum cleaners, and once you add water, they weigh even more. Read over the machine's warranty. Many manufacturers post this information on their websites, and while you're at it, check your carpet's warranty to make sure you're not using a product that'll void it.